find the integral from pi over 6 to pi over 3 of x secant squared x dx exact form. So since we have a multiplication, we have to use the integration by parts formula in the MF19. In the simpler form, just cancel out the dx. This is integral u dv. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. uv minus integral v du. So we have to set the x to be the u, and the trigonometric is the dv. So the u is x, du dx is 1, du is therefore dx. For the dv, we integrate both sides. The integral of secant squared is, using the MF19 formula, the integral of secant squared is tangent x. Okay, so this is the formula. Secant squared becomes tangent. So after integrating, we have just tangent, and the integral of dv is just v. So we have everything. We substitute the u and the v and the v again and the du, and we have to integrate one more time. Now when we integrate tangent x, so first of all, we have this MF19 formula. Tangent is sine over cos. So what we're integrating is sine over cos. And to integrate this, we're going to need this MF19 formula for integration. So we have to make sure that the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So here the denominator is cos, and the derivative of cos is minus sine. So we have to make sure that the numerator is exactly minus sine. So that's why we modify this. We multiply by minus, and we also multiply by minus. So actually we're not changing anything, but this is now the derivative of the denominator. We can use this rule, and what we get is ln the denominator. That's why we have ln cos x. And then we plug in the terminals of integration and then subtract. Now since we need exact value, you cannot use this whole thing in the calculator because you will get decimals. So just use this part in the calculator, you get root 3, and use this part in the calculator, you get 1/2, and from the calculator we get root 3 over 3 here. Use the calculator, you get root 3 over 2. So now we combine everything. So for the one with pi, we have 1 over 3 minus 1 over 18. So use your calculator, we get 5 over 18. So 5 over 18 still times root 3 still times pi. This is the first term. And now for the terms with ln. So this is a subtraction, and subtraction means we divide the arguments. So 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Use your calculator, we get root 3 over 3. Now this is actually already the final answer here, but we need to show, no, okay, actually we can stop right here. But if we want to further simplify it, so notice that this is the same as 1 over root 3. If you use your calculator, you will get this. And 1 over root 3 means 3 to the power of 1/2, minus 1/2 I mean. And we can move this power out of the integration, minus 1/2 times ln 3. So that's the final answer in the simplest form. Alright, I'll see you guys.